Hi, everybody. I am so excited to be teaching this new class on the Nova Studio online course school. My name is Alice Duvenel, and I have been teaching about natural cosmetology for nearly 15 years now. And this class is about making your own facial creams. Um, Today we're going to be making two different recipes, one that is a basic recipe and then one that is a little bit more advanced. And this class is for people that already have some form of knowledge of how to make lotions and creams. And Lori actually offers this wonderful course called Lotions and Creams, which is really a good prerequisite for this class. So to tell you a little bit more about me, and why I'm here is I actually suffered from very severe acne when I was in my mid 30s, and it was very intense, and I didn't know what to do. And I went through the allopathic medicine and the hormone therapy and all kinds of different treatments, and nothing was working. And I discovered hydrosols, and I discovered essential oils, and I discovered also herbal remedies I could take internally. And it was a 3 year incredible path to healing and to recovering my skin that was filled with scarring and blemishes. It was a really difficult time of my life, but it brought me here. And the reason why I want to share this knowledge with you is that I believe we can make incredible high quality cosmetics that are made with natural ingredients. And this is the whole point of this class, is to introduce you to ingredients such as hydrosols, essential oils, aloe vera, botanical extracts. And really what's happening is that it's like whole foods. These ingredients have prana, they have life in them because they were grown in a way that was intentional, and they are bringing something to our body that is incredible. So I'm so excited to teach this class. I hope many of you are here listening and are going to join in for this incredible experience. And welcome to all.